Hey guys, it's Nick and I'm in Clearwater Beach, Florida, and it is January 23rd on a Saturday. Let's see if there's any people at the beach today, because it's the middle of the winter in a lot of places. So let's see who's out here today. So I did a video of this beach last year in December, and I gotta say, it looks like there's about as many, if not more people here today than there was last year before all the shutdown stuff happened. And it's not really hot. It's like 72 degrees today, but a little bit sunny, and there is a lot of people out here, and there's even people in the water. So let's go see how cold the water is.
Ready, go. Play this game.
So you see, there's a whole bunch of people here. This way, people on boats, people on jet skis, people in the parasailing, and a whole bunch of people this way towards the pier. And let's see how this water is. Man, this water is super warm. Just kidding, it's pretty cold. So it's a nice day here at the beach, but the water is cold, and I would not go in it myself. But I see younger kids seem to not be worried about the cold water for some reason, and so that's mostly who's in the water here. But you know, they're liking it. I don't. It's too cold for me, but it's still a nice day here at the beach at Clearwater. It's sunny. You can get a tan, and there's a million other things to do here. You can go on the pier. I was on the pier 2 days ago, and it was pretty cold out, so big difference in a few days. But that's what it's like here in January. A lot of times it's in the 70s, maybe 72. It's going to be 74, 75 in a few days. So if you're thinking of coming out here, and maybe you see all the news and you think maybe the beaches are shut down, or the beaches are open but the hotels are closed, or nobody's out here, or something like that, have a look for yourself. There's a lot of people out here. Everything is open. People are going about their lives, you know, and they're having a good time. Even people swimming in the water here. I don't know what the hotel rates are right now around here, but I gotta imagine that because it's January and because a lot of people maybe are afraid to come or something, there's probably some pretty good deals on hotels around here, or Airbnbs for that matter. But yeah, there's a good crowd here. I mean, it's a Saturday. If it was 80 degrees, or maybe if the water was warmer a little bit, I think there might be another twice as many people here. And you can rent these chairs and these little half tent things. And of course the pier is a good place to watch the sunset. And later on in the day, around the time of the sunset, there's usually some street performers over here. There was a guy the other day trying to get out of chains or something, like Houdini or whatever. So there's a bunch of things to do even if you don't want to swim. And of course you have the stores all over here, bars, restaurants, that kind of thing. I don't know if those kids' rides are open. They don't look like they are. But there's that spinning ball thing that is open, and some of the other kids' stuff is being used. So looks like there's something for everybody out here. So funny thing is, it's been a lot of changes in 1 year between the last time I was here 1 year ago to film and today. However, you see that people are still coming out here. Like I said, it's about the same crowd as last year probably. And you have a nice day out. People are going to come to the beach no matter what and enjoy themselves. So if you're thinking about coming out here, don't be afraid. Look at all the people out here. You'll definitely have a good time, that's for sure. Better than some cold place up north in New York, New Jersey, Chicago, whatever. So that's a look at Clearwater Beach on January 23rd, 2021, guys. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Have money, but I can.
Or like the pork of the dolphin.
You might say what
Yeah, that's kind of cool. I saw him doing that.